First, choose the desired presets from the scatter tools in the Assets library and place them in your scene. You can hide the collection where the assets are stored. Make sure the objects to which the plants should adhere are in a separate collection. Next, select the scatter tool and configure the collection. Then, enter Edit mode and adjust the settings to begin painting. The first time you use scatter, there may be a few seconds of delay. You can adjust some parameters in the Scatter Tools modifier to achieve the style you desire. By repeating the operations I just described, you can use other presets in the Scatter tool to scatter different elements in your scene. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on our Discord server.